To my channel. In this video, we're going to go over the property of, well, it's actually called the zero exponent property. And this is the first video of a series called, let me write it down. The series is called Rational Expressions. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can watch all the videos that belong to this section called Rational Expressions. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this first part. So the zero exponent property is actually quite simple. All it says is all that it says, I'm sorry, I got a little bit tangled there. All that it says is that if you have a number, well, could be any number except 0, if you raise that number to the power of 0, that is going to be equal to 1. So we have a couple of exercises here. Take a look at them and let's solve them. So we have 2x to the power of 0. Notice that this 2x is in parentheses. So because we have that 2x inside the parentheses, I'm saying that all of this is being raised to the power of 0. Therefore, this is just equal to 1. On the other hand, this is for letter A. On the other hand, for letter B, we have 2 times x to the power of 0. Now, notice here that the only thing that is being raised to the power of 0 is that x. Okay, 2 is not being raised to the power of 0, but x is. So this is 2 times x to the power of 0. Well, what will be x to the power of 0? What will be any number raised to the power of 0? Well, that is just 1. So this is 2 times 1, and that's equal to 2. Now let's take a look at letter C. On letter C, we have 4 plus x raised to the power of 0. And notice that this 4 plus x is also in parentheses. Therefore, everything in here is being raised to the power of 0. So we have a number, which we don't know what it is, being raised to the power of 0. Well, any number raised to the power of 0, which is not 0, is going to be 1. And lastly, we have this 4x. We have this 4 plus x to the power of 0. Now, in this particular case, x is the only one raised to the power of 0. So that is the same as 4 plus 1. Let me just get a little bit closer here. Oops, yeah, 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, that's equal to 5. And there we have our answer.